Savina, Kurdistan, Iraq.
Now, I'm from Kurdistan, Iraq, but I'm not a Kurd and I'm not an Arab. I am an Assyrian. I am from the nation of the original people of Kurdistan and Iraq and part of Syria, part of Iran and part of Turkey. I am from the people of the great and ancient civilization that goes back to 6,000, 7,000 years ago, that till today we are making use of our findings. But now we are the minorities based on the violence we have faced and tragedies we have faced. But the least we deserve from our countries is our civilization and our history not to be vanished, not to be abused, but to be educated and learned in our educational system. I don't want to be asked, am I a Kurd or am I an Arab in my country? Or if I say none, are you Christian? I am Christian, but that's not my identity. That's my belief, that's to myself. I want Assyrian to be one of the options. I am Assyrian and proud to be, and I want to be recognized in my own country because we are the original people of that country. The least we deserve from our country is to be recognized. And now we have two governments, Kurdistan and Iraq, and they should take the responsibility for that. Thank you.